What's up, guys? I wanted to take a few minutes in this video to talk to you all about something that can save you some trouble. Recently we had to replace this Dent Industries power meter. We're using it to monitor one of the panels that we have here, and this is the new meter. There are a few changes between the two different styles. This one had failed completely. I was able to plug into it, and when I was plugged into it directly with the software, it was obvious that there was an issue with this meter. So now I have got the new meter wired and installed, and we have the network connection and everything set up. I've got the addressing and everything entered into the new meter, but there's something that I want to point out that you will run into with any third-party device in many cases. You can see right now all of our points are still offline. I want to jump over to the Dent software and show you something. Okay, within this version of the software is where you will do your meter communication setup, and this right here is what can get you, is your baud rate. Okay, right here, that baud rate, if it is not set correctly, it can mess you up. Okay, a lot of third-party devices will come set up with a default baud rate that does not match your system. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on the device, the trunk for where the device is located. I'm going to go to hardware, and underneath the hardware, do you see that number right here? Okay, that value right there, that 38400, that is the current baud rate that this particular trunk is set to communicate. So what I need to do, I'm simply going to jump over here. I am going to drop down the selection tree for the meter. I'm going to change the baud rate to match that network, and now I am going to send that value to the meter. Okay, once we send that value, let's just jump back over here, and what we're going to do now, I'm going to click back into my meter, and it will take a few minutes, but we should start noticing the meter come online. I'm just going to give it a minute here and to see how long that it takes, and I'm just going to keep you guys right here with me where you will know as well. Okay, you can see here the red X has disappeared from the points. We are now receiving the data. We are now back communicating with the meter, even though this is not cleared yet over here. It is obvious that it is going to clear, and we now are back online with our power meter. But guys, this is just a quick video that I wanted to do, something that will be a little bit useful to you going forward. Remember to always double check your baud rate when trying to set up any kind of a third-party device on your system. Anyways, guys, check out all the videos down on the channel. Check out all the links down in the description. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment, any questions down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.